How to fix we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium. Getting the error we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium, here's how you can basically fix it. So step one, make sure your Google account location matches your real country. So go ahead and open your Google account. So go ahead and search for myaccount.google.com and that will take you to your Google account. And then in here, head over to payments and subscriptions. And then in here, go ahead and click on manage payment methods. So you'll be able to find the available payment methods that you have on Google. So check your Google Payments profile and your billing address and card country must match. Step 3 is to turn off VPNs or proxy. So YouTube cross-checks your IP with your payment country. So take note that you should make sure that your VPN is off if you're making payments for YouTube Premium. Step 4, if that doesn't work, go ahead and clear your cache and cookies. So go ahead and click on the three dots to the top right of your screen and then select settings from here. And then select privacy and security and then click on delete browsing data and make sure to check the cache and cookies and then click on delete data to confirm deleting this data. Now step 5 is in the YouTube app you need to set your location to your actual country. So make sure that your location on YouTube is correct and is the same with the location that you have for your payments method. And that is how you can basically fix we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium.